హెవీ క్రౌడ్ ఉంది, నేను చూసుకుంటాను స్వామి, మీరు వెళ్ళండి అని చెప్పినందుకు వచ్చాను. ఆయనకు ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పండి. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే, దేవాలయంలో భగవంతుడికి పూజలు జరిగే విధానం మీలో చాలా మందికి తెలియదు. గర్భగుడి లోపలికి వెళ్ళి నేను స్వామివారి ముందు, ఇఫ్ ఐ సిట్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ ద డెయిటీ, I start my puja by saying Bhagavato Balena, Bhagavato Viryana, Bhagavata Stejasa, Bhagavata Karma Karishyami. That means with the blessing of my Balaji, with the strength of my Balaji, with the power of my Balaji, with the Tejas means Prakasham of Balaji, and with the exactly the same continuation, Bhagavata Karma Karishyami. I perform all my rituals because of the strength derived from the deity himself. Here, the problem, Article 25, Article 26, Article 27, the most complicated articles in our constitution. Because the three articles are interpreted differently for different religions. The same articles. Article 25 and Article 26, let us not go much into legal aspect. I will tell you a small story which you should know. 1950 kante mundu manaki Article 25, 26 undinaya? Where the Article 25, 26 were there before 1950? Yes or no?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes. Constitutional. No. Constitutional.
ఎందుకు డౌట్ అయిపోయినాను. This is where I want to repeat what Nageswara said. It was in Government of India Act 1935, but the numbers were different. 19 and 20, the Irish constitution was the numbers. But the temples were not like this today. We had the constitution, but we did not have government control of the temple system. 1950 we had the constitution. There is a small story of the constitution. I always start from the Travancore Devaswam Board, which Nageswara Garu has mentioned a little bit. Kerala, the Travancore was the only kingdom which was purely Hindu kingdom. All the other kingdoms were Hindu kingdoms, but they were not God kingdoms. Travancore was a kingdom of God Padmanabha Swami. Jai Padmanabha! He was the ruler and the kings were the trustees of the kingdom. The constitution of Padmanabha Swami's constitution was, the council of ministers will run the secular administration. The kingdom, including the temple system, will be run by the king. That is a deity. 1949, Sardar Patel and VP Menon request the country to be, merged with India. They say, we don't believe your constitution. If we merge into your constitution, our temple administration will go to dogs. And Sardar Patel promises that we will inculcate the same constitution which is there in Travancore, the core values in our constitution. That is how Article 26 came. You see what Article 26 reads? Subject to public order, morality and health, every religious denomination or section thereof shall have the right to establish and maintain, to manage its own affairs, to own and acquire movable and immovable property, to administer such property in accordance with law. Then, this is a lot of big story, but they merged this country and it became a part of our Bharat. 1950 onwards till 1971, the Travancore Devaswam Board was run by the nominees of the kings. After that, we had lot of other problems. We had the Indira Gandhi putting the privy purse, abolition of privy purse and all. So we started losing all the rights one by one for Travancore. Similarly, what happened in Andhra and Telangana? 1951, the first endowment administration was taken over by the Tamil Nadu, Madras. They went to the Supreme Court. Before that, 40 Mathadhipatis went to Rajendra Prasad. How many? ఎంతమంది 40 మంది మఠాధిపతులు వెళ్ళారు బాబు రాజేంద్ర ప్రసాద్ గారి దగ్గర. ఈ 1951 ఎండోమెంట్ యాక్ట్ మీరు అలౌ చేస్తే ఈ దేశంలో ఉండేటటువంటి దేవాలయాలు ప్రభుత్వ కబంధస్థాల్లోకి వెళ్తాయి, దయచేసి ఈ బిల్లుని అలౌ చేయకండి అని మొరపెట్టుకున్నారు. బాబు రాజేంద్ర ప్రసాద్ రెఫర్డ్ దట్ మ్యాటర్ టు జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ. You know what happened?
By accident and Hindu.
అది దౌర్భాగ్యం అంటే, బికాస్ రిలీజియస్ ఎండోమెంట్స్ ఈజ్ అండర్ కన్కరెంట్ లిస్ట్. ద స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ కి ఎంత స్టేక్ ఉంటుందో సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ కి అంత స్టేక్ ఉంటుంది. We have the problem started in 1951. Post independent India, post republic, we had this constitution. So that's all. సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ చేసిన దౌర్భాగ్యం ఏంటి తెలుసా అండి మీకు? ఇట్ ఇంటర్ప్రెటెడ్ దిస్ రిలీజియస్ డినామినేషన్ వర్డ్ యాజ్ పర్ ఆక్స్ఫర్డ్ డిక్షనరీ. అంటే సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ దగ్గర బుర్ర లేదా? జడ్జిలకి ఆక్స్ఫర్డ్ డిక్షనరీ కంటే వేరే తెలియదా? రిలీజియస్ డినామినేషన్ అంటే సంప్రదాయం రా. రిలీజియస్ డినామినేషన్ అంటే సంప్రదాయం. హిందూయిజం ఇస్ ఎ రిలీజియస్ డినామినేషన్. Islam is a religious denomination. Christianity is a religious denomination. If you did not have your knowledge, you should refer back to Travancore Gazetteer. Travancore Gazetteer said Christian is a denomination, Islam is a denomination, Hindu is a religious denomination. There the problem started. And I am coming back to this present status because I will take a lot of time if I go into the history. The problem started with Shabarimala judgment. Shabarimala judgment lo evari vallano endo maaku avasarame ledu. Supreme Court gave one statement. You know that? What is the statement? The deities do not have any fundamental right in this country. Repeat this statement with me. The deities do not have any fundamental rights in this country.
Do not have any fundamental rights.
Will you accept all of you?
No.
This is where the Kerala ladies came on the road. And we have to say, Shabarimala, October 2nd, Nama Japa Yatra. It will not be like this farmer agitation anta em ledu. అక్కడ ఆడవాళ్ళు రోడ్డుకు వచ్చినారు, 90 ఏళ్ళ ఆడవాళ్ళు. 90-year-old ladies came on the స్వామియే అనుకుంటూ వచ్చారు. తెలంగాణలో ఆంధ్రాలో ఉన్న ఆడవాళ్ళు మాత్రం మొగిల్ రేకులు సీరియల్ చూస్తున్నారు. అది కేరళ ప్రాబ్లం పంతులు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. సో we in Chilkur, we lit lamps, we protested against the judgment. It went to the Supreme Court for review. When that review happened, it was referred to the 9 judges bench. So when the judgment said the deities do not have any fundamental right, who should go on appeal? Deities should go on appeal or not?
Yes.
We went on appeal. చిల్కూరు బాలాజీ వచ్చి మీ ముందు ప్రశ్న అడుగుతున్నాడు, మాకు ఏం అధికారాలు ఉన్నాయి ఈ దేశంలో? What is our fundamental right as per your constitution? You tell. This is the affidavit we drafted. You know what the Supreme Court did? It dismissed our petition. February 10th was a black day for us. And we went to the President of India. Because President of India has abolished the Supreme Court. How many of you know? See, this is the problem. This lady does not know. सुप्रीम कोर्ट से ऊपर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया है. अगर से प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया चाहे तो हैंगिंग को भी रोक सकता है, मालूम है कि नहीं है? हाँ? We went to the President of India and said, see, this is a nonsensical judgment. They did not allow the deity to appear before this thing. Please look into this. Then the Padmanabha Swami judgment came. In that there is a clarity. The ruler is Padmanabha, the royal family is a trustee. From there we got lot of power, and then on July 19th we wrote a letter again to the President of India saying that as per Padmanabha Swami judgment, you give a notification giving Padmanabha Swami his full rights over the temple. That day morning the Kurma Murti was seen in our temple. How many people saw that video? Without this social media army, this was gone in every cell phone. అవునా కదా? చిలుకూరులో అద్భుతం, చిలుకూరులో అద్భుతం, చిలుకూరులో అద్భుతం. నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు, సోషల్ మీడియా ఆర్మీ లేకుండా పోయింది, మొత్తం పోయింది. అంటే నేను చెప్తున్నాను, ఇది డైటీస్ ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్ అనే దాని మీద మనము ఫ్రీడమ్ ఆఫ్ టెంపుల్స్ ఎప్పుడు అంటే ఫ్రీడమ్ ఆఫ్ వర్షిప్ టు ద డైటీ ఉంటే ఉంటుంది. ఐ విల్ నాట్ టేక్ మచ్ టైమ్, ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ రీడ్ వన్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ because Kapil Mishra ji, you went to Rajasthan when Archaka was burnt there. See the mindset of the government. I will read one section. It will take 2 minutes for me to read it. It's a Endowment Act section 144. 144 number గుర్తుందా? అది 144 దాని పేరే అట్లా పెట్టింది చూడండి. Abolition of shares in hundi and other rusums. Notwithstanding any judgment, decree or order of any court, tribunal or other authority or in any scheme, custom, usage or agreement or in any manual prepared by any institution or in any farmana or sanad or any deed or order of the government to the contrary, governing any charitable or religious institution or endowment, all shares which are payable or being paid or given or allowed at the commencement of this act to any trustee, Dharmakarta, Mutawalli and share or shares in the Kanukas offered either in kind or in cash to the Archaka or both by the devotees either in hundi, plate or otherwise, or any rusums in the Archana or seva tickets and tickets for sponsoring or any rusums collected from the person for the performance of marriage or Upanayanam and the likes. All offerings made in the premises of the temple or at such places as may be specified by the trustee, all prasadams and panyarams offered either by the temple or devotee and such other kind of offerings, all shares in the lands. Sunre sir? All shares in the lands of the institution or endowment allotted or allowed to be in possession or enjoyment of Archaka, office holder or servant towards remuneration or otherwise for rendering service and defraying the paditaram and other expenses connected with the service or management of the temple shall stand abolished with effect from the commencement of this act. ఇక్కడ కింద చూడండి, for the purpose of this section, the cooked rice or such other things offered to the deity towards Nitya Naivedyam alone as per dictum permitted by the executive officer shall be appropriated by the Archaka or other servants. అంటే అర్చకుడు దేవుడికి నైవేద్యం పెట్టి దద్యోను మాత్రం తిని బతకాలి వాడు. Will the government have the guts to enact a legislation to stop the 10% Dashama Bhagam of a church? Will the government enact such a legislation? అంటే ట్రెడిషనల్ ఎమాలిమెంట్స్ an Archaka or an office holder, Nadaswara Vidwansudu, Swapna garu, lot of people were singing Annamaya Vamsham vallu. They used to get share from the land that has been abolished. So can we allow this type of legislation to be allowed? No. In as per our constitution? No. My deity is the owner of the temple. My deity wants me to come and do Pauranikam there. My deity wants me to perform Brahmotsavam at a particular time. So everything is centered around my deity. The traditional emoluments also have been prescribed by my deity. You know what Agama says? If a person Archaka is paid salary, వింటున్నారా మీరందరూ? అర్చకుడికి భూదానమే ఇవ్వాలి, భూమి ద్వారా వాడు జీవించాలి. If the Archaka is paid salary, the rituals are not valid in the temple. This is the unfortunate situation. Today I would like to once again thank you people for bearing with me. I would like to request one video to be shown, Kiran, which is a 1-minute video. I want to make you see that video and then ready ga unda?
I just need to check. Otherwise, I'll play it.
This is regarding the efforts which I am taking, both online and offline, to protect the dharma. Number one was 2018 Munivahana Utsavam, in which I carried a Dalit Bhakta on my shoulder and to demonstrate the anti-Hindu bias in the world, that the Brahmin tramples the Dalits.
Jai Shri Ram!
No, it doesn't happen like that. Unfortunately, your school of thought is wrong. I proved by that activity which was done 2700 years back, which has been put in the dark by the education system here. Number two, 23rd February, Bhishma Ekadashi, we performed Archana, Vishnu Sahasranam Archana along with Gangaputras. You know what are Gangaputras? They are the fishermen folk, the most vulnerable people for the conversion material. Ennama coastal area mottam vallu conversion avutunnaru. So we went this has to be in the social media, because if Kapil Mishra goes to Rajasthan, if there is no Twitter or any Facebook, how will I come to know? We have to be alert, we have to be active, we have to be propagating, we have to be telling our own people. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. My request today is the deity rights movement needs all of your support. It is not my movement, it is a movement of every deity of this country. Every deity of this country needs his temple to be free from the political elements, corrupt elements, commercial elements. దర్శనానికి వస్తే 50 రూపాయలు టికెట్, లేకపోతే దర్శనం లేదు. అర్చన చేసుకుంటే టికెట్ కొంటే అర్చన, లేకపోతే లేదు. సామాన్యుడికి దర్శనమే లేదు. ధర్మ దర్శనం మీన్స్, you know what dharma darshanam means? 3 days waiting. If you buy 300 rupees, immediate darshan. If it is not dharma darshanam, it is called adharma darshanam. One small last quotation. I always ask in Chilkur about the Supreme Court. There is one saying. How many of you can tell me, is the buffalo better or the cow better? ఆవు గొప్పనా బర్రె గొప్పనా? ఎవడో బర్రె అంటున్నాడు. ఆవు చుట్టూ ఈ మూర్ఖులు ప్రదక్షిణ చేస్తారు హిందువులు. బర్రె గొప్పది, బర్రె పాలిస్తుంది, బర్రె ఏం పాపం చేసిందండి అని ఒక సుప్రీంకోర్టు పోయిండు. ఎవరో ఐలేనో ఎవరో తెలియదు మనం. He wrote a book on buffalo nationalism. పోతే సుప్రీంకోర్టులో కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ బెంచ్కి పోయింది. కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ బెంచ్లో వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నారంటే, ఎస్, ఆర్టికల్ 14 ఆఫ్ ద కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్, both are milk giving animals, buffalo and cow should be equal to each other. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll pass a rule that whoever goes around the cow should be arrested and put in jail. This type of attitude today the Supreme Court is developing, which is very unfortunate. I would like to request all of you to be watchful, very, very careful in all your tweets, because some things can be liable for your being, punished also through some other nonsensical activities. Sarvedana Sukhino Bhavantu, Samasta Sanmangalani Santu. Jai Balaji. This is the video, 1 minute I would like to. This we did in Nellore. I am explaining to the Archaka, this is the one. This guy is Pawan Kumar, whom I said. He is been there with me for all the kind of movements I am performing. Social relevant activities. This one, Dalit person. We did it in 4 places in last 2 years. See the festival like atmosphere.
Ah!